You lift my feet off the ground, spin me around, you make me crazier, crazier. Hello everyone, and welcome to this guitar tutorial for the song Crazier by Taylor Swift. So a few disclaimers. First, we're going to use a capo in the 2nd fret for this song, which means that this is not going to be our 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and so on and so forth. Aside from that, I'm also going to be playing this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. But before we begin, please do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for my future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. I'll try to do it for you. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just go and jump right into it. So before I teach you guys the chord progressions that we're going to use in this song, I'd just like to discuss with you the chords that we're going to use throughout this entire song, which are going to be these ones right here. So all in all, it's going to be an open D major chord, open A major chord, B minor, open G major, that's going to be the E minor chord. And as for the strumming pattern that we're going to use in this song, it's going to be this one right here. So basically it's just going to be like this. Down, down, up, down, up. Now if you prefer to use your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strums and this part of your thumb for the up strums. So again, it's just going to be down, down, up, down, up. Now if you prefer to use your pick, it's going to be much more straightforward than that. So you're just going to use downward motions for the down strums and upward motions for the up strums. So again, it's going to be down, down, up, down, up. So with that said, that entire strumming pattern is going to be worked for 2 whole counts for each chord that you're going to play in this song. Okay, so for the intro section of this song, the chord progression that we're going to use is going to be this one right here. So first up is going to be the open D major chord for 4 counts, which means that we're going to do the strumming pattern twice for this one. So again, D major chord for 4 counts, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. The next up is going to be an open A major chord, which is going to be like this. So again, it's going to be for 4 counts as well. So it's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. The next up is going to be the B minor chord, which is going to be like this for 4 counts as well. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then lastly, it's going to be the G major chord for 4 counts. So again, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then lastly, for the bit at the end there, what we're going to do is we're just going to be strumming down the G major chord once, then counting it out for the rest of it. So again, it's going to be like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, it's going to be open D major chord, A, B minor, it's going to be G, 2, 3, 4. And so for the verse sections of this song, the chord progression that we're going to use is going to be this one right here. So again, it's going to be the D major chord for 4 counts. It's going to be an open A major chord for 4 counts. Now this time it's going to be an E minor chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the G major chord for 2 counts, which means that we're now only going to be doing the strumming pattern once. So it's going to be down, down, up, down, up. That's going to be the A major chord for 2 counts. Down, down, up, down, up. Then once more, it's going to be open D major chord for 4 counts, A major, E minor. Now this time it's going to be the G major chord for 4 counts. Then after that, it's going to be the open A major chord for 2 counts. It's going to be like this. Down, down, up, down, up. And the B minor chord for 2 counts. Down, down, up, down, up. It's going to be the G major chord for 4 counts. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So once more, we're going to be repeating that part of the chord progression, starting from the A major chord for 2 counts up to the G major chord for 4 counts. One more time. So it's going to be like this. So all in all, it's going to be like this. A, E minor, G, then A. Again, D, A, E minor, then G. Now again, A, B minor, G. One more, A, B minor, then G. And once you finally figured that out, it's supposed to sound a little bit like this. I'm never gone with the wind, just let it flow. Let it take me where it wants to go, till you open the door. There's so much more, I've never seen it before. It's trying to fly, but I couldn't find wings. But you came along and you changed everything. Okay, and as for the chorus sections of this song, the chord progression that we're going to use is going to be this one right here. Yep. So again, it's going to be the open D major chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the open A major chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the B minor chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the G major chord for 4 counts. Then once more, we're going to be repeating that same chord progression, starting from the D major chord up to the G major chord for 4 counts, one more time. So again, it's going to be like this. Then once more, we're going to be strumming the G major chord once, then we're going to be waiting it out for the rest of the counting, which is going to be 4 counts. So it's going to be like this. 2, 3, 4. So all in all, the chorus sections of this song is going to sound a little bit like this. You lift my feet off the ground, spin me around. You make me crazier, crazier. Feels like I'm falling now. I'm lost in your eyes. You make me crazier, crazier, crazier. So next up for the interlude section of this song, it's just a simple chord progression. It's just going to be this one right here. So again, it's just going to be the open D major chord for 4 counts. A major chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the G major chord for 8 counts, which means that we're not going to be doing the strumming pattern for 4 times. So again, it's going to be like this. 2, 3, 4. Yep. And once you finally figured that out, it's just supposed to sound a little bit like this. So it's going to be. Yep, and there you have it. And lastly, for the bridge section of this song, the chord progression that we're going to use is going to be this one right here. Yep. So first up is going to be the A major chord for 2 counts. So again, it's going to be like this. It's going to be the B minor chord for 2 counts. It's going to be the G major chord for 4 counts. Yep. Then after that, we're going to be repeating that entire thing one more time. So again, it's going to be like this. A major chord, B minor, then G. Once more. And once you finally figured that out, it's supposed to sound a little bit like this. Baby, you showed me what living is for. Don't wanna hide anymore. this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for reaching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget subscribing the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with my future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. I'll try to do it for you. And if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. And if you guys would like to watch my guitar cover for this song or some sort of reference, just click this one right here. Yep, it's all good. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.